think we have less than 3 weeks to get the car ready. There is a shit ton left to do. Up here at Snowy Cooper Motor Works, trying to get some stuff done. Stay tuned. Welcome to Wrenching to Race. I'll let you know what we're doing soon. All right, so here's where we left things last time. We ran new wires, new connectors to all the gauges. Positive coming over here to go onto that block of power. Negative are going to be run over here to the side and are going to go attaching to that. The other thing that I need to do is fill that hole. And what goes in that hole is a water temperature gauge. So we got a water temp sender right there. Sorry for the shitty focus. And I'm gonna actually not put this in right now. It's gonna go right there, but the other way. Because I'm gonna cut the hole out here that I marked off last time so I can mount that guy and then figure out where it's going inside of there. I have the P-Touch. I have label makers for all the sending wires, and then I'm going to run the power wire to the fuel pump, run it back to the dash for the relay, and then wire in the relay for the fuel pump. And then I'm not sure if I need a relay for the coil or not. I'm going to make a phone call to a friend of mine. But here's where I'm at right now. I have the board, the switch panel from Quick Car, which is amazing, by the way. That panel is screwed in and ready to be mounted. The power for the gauges and any auxiliary 12-volt power that we need is going to run here. So all the gauges, all the power will come down here and then mount to this. This is our negative ground terminal. This is going to be ground somewhere to the frame. All the grounds from the gauges go and mount right to this. I don't think I'm going to be able to get this ground over here. Maybe I can. That would be great. Oh yeah. So it looks like I'll be able to squeeze that over to that one, which is great because then I don't have to do a separate ground for the switch panel. So that's where I'm at there. I did rewire. I think we had 16 gauge wire going to the fuel pump. So now we have 12 gauge going to the fuel pump, routing through this wire protector all the way up front to here. And this will mount up to the switch. So I still have to run all of the sender wires coming from the front of the car through here to the switches. And then the other one thing I'm going to do today is, I don't know if you can see it, up under there, for whatever reason, the power for the brake light switch was running off the power that went to the coil. No idea why that is. We're going to change it and run it straight to one of those terminals. I may try and take this off also. All right, so here's a quick wrap up. I got done with the switches and the gauges. So now what I'm attempting to do is run new wires for coolant temp sensor, the oil temp sender. I put in a waterproof relay for the fan switch, running a new wire for the fan, which is that white one, and going through the firewall with stuff. And then it's time to mount the switch plate, the main plate, which I'll be going and doing. There's still, quite a bit to do. We do have some new tires and some new wheels, which I guess I'll show you. So these are the new tires, 225s. Hopefully they're not too sticky, too wide. But on the front, it looks pretty cool. And that's it. So with 3 weeks to go, we've got about 4 weeks of work left. Hopefully we'll be able to get up here and do some work soon. Thanks for watching. Press like, subscribe, all that stuff. Bye.